Hey squad, what's going on? Thank you for tuning in to the channel. This video is all about decluttering my refrigerator, y'all. It had a whole bunch of stuff. I took a whole bunch of it out, so I'm just cleaning it out and, getting it right. Like, want to clean. I normally clean with the wet rag, normally warm water, a little bleach or Clorox, Fabuloso, and yeah, that's my mixture. I go in and I scrub and I clean, and yeah, that's basically what I do. You see me here just putting my meats back in, and I came to the realization that, hey, I want to do the bottom of the refrigerator as well. So I'm going to stop the video and take a trip to Dollar Tree because I want to get some bins for it. So if y'all don't mind, just stay tuned and join me. I will get back with y'all when I get to Dollar Tree. See y'all there. So yeah, I made it to my favorite Dollar Tree, y'all. And this Dollar Tree is closest to my home, so I go here a lot. As y'all can see, they are getting ready for Valentine's Day, so they have a whole bunch of Valentine goodies out. I normally come here at least twice a week to pick up something. Anything, like everything is $1, so of course I'm loving it. On my budget, being a single mother, if I can get things the cheapest, that's what I do. I know a lot of us do that either way, whether you're a single mother or not. We all about saving the coins, and that's what I like to do. So since I know the Dollar Tree so well, I'm just gonna go find the bins that I normally get. There's a lot of party stuff in this location. I don't throw a lot of parties, but the stuff is really, really cute. So, yeah. Just walking and browsing. Just walking and browsing. There are so many different things in here for $1 that you can, do DIY projects with, and all. I've done a few myself. Now I've made it to the bins, and they have colors. Like, I love their bins, but I normally like white or clear for my refrigerator and stuff. Like, I just want it to look clean and sleek, and they really don't have a big selection of clear and white things. So I think I'll just grab what they have and possibly go to another one if I need to. These bins right here look like they'll work. They're cute and they're clear. I like it. So I'm going to grab a couple of those. I'll see y'all when I get back to the house. Now I'm back at home. Y'all see I'm working with a clean slate in my refrigerator. I have taken everything out and wiped it down except for the door. I'll do that after I get finished with the inside. I'm just placing the carts that I got, the buckets and things that I got from Dollar Tree on the inside so they can hold all of my goodies. Y'all stay tuned and enjoy the video.